Dallas is known for its intense summer heat, sudden storms, strong winds, and occasional cold snaps. While these changing conditions are part of living in North Texas, they can take a serious toll on your home, especially your windows. Your windows are one of the most exposed parts of your house. They face direct sunlight, heavy rain, fluctuating temperatures, and airborne debris year-round. Understanding how Dallas weather impacts your home's windows can help you recognize when it's time for maintenance, upgrades, or replacement. Extreme summer heat and UV exposure. Dallas summers are long, hot, and often relentless. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures and direct sunlight can cause significant wear on older or lower quality windows. UV rays can fade window frames, damage seals, and even cause certain materials to warp over time. Inside your home, excessive solar heat gain through inefficient glass can raise indoor temperatures, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. If your home feels hotter near the windows or your energy bills spike during the summer, your windows may not be performing efficiently. Modern windows with low E coatings and insulated glass are designed to reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter, helping protect both your comfort and your furnishings. Sudden storms and heavy rain. Dallas weather can shift quickly, with thunderstorms bringing heavy rain and strong wind gusts. Older windows with worn seals or compromised frames may allow water to seep inside during severe weather. Water intrusion can lead to interior damage, mold growth, and deterioration around the window frame. Over time, this moisture exposure weakens materials and reduces the window's structural integrity. High-quality, properly installed windows create a tight seal that helps prevent leaks, even during intense storms. Regular inspections can help you catch minor issues before they become costly repairs. Strong winds and debris. High winds are another common feature of Dallas weather. Wind-driven debris, such as tree branches or loose objects, can crack or damage standard glass. If your windows are outdated or not impact-resistant, they may be more vulnerable during severe weather events. Upgrading to reinforced or impact-rated glass can provide additional protection and peace of mind during storm season. Strong winds can also stress window frames and seals, leading to small gaps that cause drafts or reduce energy efficiency. Temperature swings and seal failure. Although Dallas is known for heat, the area can also experience sudden temperature drops during winter. Rapid temperature fluctuations can cause window materials to expand and contract. Over time, this repeated movement may weaken seals, allowing air leaks or causing condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging between panes, it's often a sign that the seal has failed and the insulating gas has escaped. Seal failure reduces your window's energy performance and often signals that replacement may be necessary. Increased energy demands. Because Dallas experiences both extreme heat and occasional cold weather, your heating and cooling systems rely heavily on well-performing windows. Inefficient windows allow heat transfer, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This increases strain on your HVAC system and raises energy costs. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed to handle Dallas's climate challenges. With insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, and advanced coatings, they help stabilize indoor temperatures and improve overall home performance. Protecting your investment. Your windows play a critical role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and protection. Dallas weather puts them to the test year-round, which is why regular maintenance and timely upgrades are so important. If you're noticing drafts, rising energy bills, condensation, or visible wear, it may be time to consider modern replacement options. Investing in high-quality windows designed for Dallas conditions can improve comfort, lower utility costs, and increase your home's long-term value. In a climate as dynamic as Dallas, your windows need to be built and maintained to handle it all.